If you're wondering how to customize contracts in Deel, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to tailor contracts in Deel so you can streamline your hiring process with ease and efficiency. Whether you're new to Deel or just looking to dive deeper into its customization options, by the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to create contracts that perfectly suit your needs. First things first, Deel offers a robust contract customization tool designed to make managing your global workforce seamless. You can easily modify contracts for different countries, legal requirements, and specific job roles. Whether you're working with remote contractors or full-time employees, Deel has you covered. Let's dive into how you can customize contracts within the platform. When you create a contract in Deel, you start by selecting the type of contract you want to create. This could be for a freelancer, contractor, or employee, and the platform will guide you through a series of steps to make sure all the details are aligned with your needs. Deel's interface is incredibly user-friendly, so you can easily move through each step without feeling overwhelmed. The first thing you'll need to do is select your country and job type. Deel automatically pulls in the correct templates based on this information, ensuring you comply with local labor laws. Now here's where the real customization happens. After choosing your contract type, you'll be able to edit specific clauses within the contract, from payment terms to work hours to project scopes. One of the most powerful features in Deel is the ability to add custom clauses. If your business operates in multiple regions or you need specific provisions tailored to your company's needs, Deel allows you to write custom terms that will automatically be inserted into the contract. Whether it's confidentiality agreements or intellectual property clauses, you can create and modify the content as needed. Additionally, Deel supports multiple languages, making it even easier to work with international teams. Once your contract is customized, you can preview it to ensure everything looks good before sending it out. Deel's preview option allows you to check for any errors and ensure all the details are correct. No more worrying about last-minute mistakes. Another handy feature is the ability to save contract templates. If you're hiring multiple contractors or employees with similar terms, you can save your customized contract as a template, making future contracts a breeze. This is an amazing time saver, especially when scaling your team. As soon as you've finalized your contract, Deel lets you send it directly to the employee or contractor via email. They can then review and sign it digitally, streamlining the entire process. And once it's signed, you have access to a fully executed contract stored safely on the platform. To wrap it up, Deel's contract customization features are an excellent way to simplify your hiring process and ensure that you're always compliant with local laws. Whether you need basic changes or more complex clauses, Deel's platform makes it incredibly easy to tailor each contract to fit your specific needs. Before we finish, remember, you can try Deel completely free through the exclusive link below and get access to additional bonuses to help you manage your global team more efficiently. So, if you're looking to get the most out of Deel and customize contracts that work for you, take advantage of that extended free trial and start today.